sweating. I know what I want to do after church. Mom said about home Depot. I'm going to get some flowers to put in that planter box. And to put, I was thinking about putting it in here. Maybe seeing if my peach hibiscus tree. I'm going to put it down here.
The one with the blue thing on it? Well, the one that's not really close? Oh, now they're after each other. The one with the blue harness is Olive Oil. She's our star character. Olive Oil is a girl, and she's very cute. And they're playing right now. Look at this shot. Come here, Olive. Olive. Olive, come here. Come on, show everybody your cute little Boston Terrier face. No, that's dirty water.